What if I told you you could create cinematic documentary videos like these without hiring editors, voice artists, animators, or even writing scripts yourself? And no, this is not one of those fake AI guru tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you a complete system that can generate viral documentary topics, full storytelling scripts, and cinematic AI visuals, animated scenes, thumbnails, and even realistic AI voiceovers, all with almost no manual work. And yes, you can do this on your phone or your computer. These videos are fully monetizable if you follow the process correctly. In fact, there are channels using this exact style getting millions of views and building entire businesses around AI documentaries. And by the end of this video, you'll realize just how insane AI content creation has become. So let's get started. The entire workflow starts with one thing: a master prompt. This prompt is basically your AI production team. It handles topic generation, story writing, scene breakdowns, image prompts, video prompts, thumbnail prompts, everything. Inside the prompt, you'll only change a few things. First, select your topic type. You can choose country-based documentaries or international topics. For this example, I'm choosing United States. Next, select your language. I'll keep it in English. Then choose your video length. You can create long-form documentaries, but honestly, I recommend staying around 8 to 10 minutes for better retention. For this tutorial, we'll generate a short 30 seconds documentary. Now comes scenes. Ideally, use around 12 to 15 scenes per minute because faster visuals usually increase audience retention. I'll go with 8 scenes, and that's it. Now copy the full master prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will generate multiple viral documentary ideas. Pick the one you like most. After selecting the topic, the AI automatically creates a cinematic documentary script, scene-by-scene breakdowns, AI image prompts, animation prompts, and thumbnail prompts. Everything is already structured for you. You don't need to manually think about transitions, visuals, or storytelling. The system does it automatically. Now for the voiceover, simply copy the generated script. You can use tools like 11 Labs to create realistic cinematic narration. Choose a storytelling voice with a natural tone. Don't use robotic voices. That's one of the biggest reasons many AI channels fail monetization reviews. Your narration should sound emotional, human, and cinematic. Once your voiceover is generated, download the audio. And that's it. Now let's move to image generation. For mobile users, open a browser that supports extensions and enable desktop mode. Then install the automation extension used for image generation. For desktop users, the setup is even easier using Chrome. Now open your AI image generation platform. Copy around 6 prompts at a time from ChatGPT. Paste them into the automation extension. Set outputs per prompt to 2. Then click Generate. The AI will automatically create cinematic images for every single scene. After generation, keep the best version from each scene. That's literally it. Now we'll turn those images into animated documentary scenes. Open your AI video generation platform. Upload all your generated images in sequence. Then paste the animation prompts provided by ChatGPT. Click Start. The automation tool will begin generating videos for every scene automatically. This is the part where your documentary starts feeling like a Netflix-style production. Slow camera movements, cinematic lighting, atmospheric motion. Everything becomes dramatically more engaging. And the best part? You're doing this with almost zero manual effort. Now for editing. Honestly, editing these videos is super simple. Just align your visuals with the narration, add background music, and your documentary is basically finished. You can easily do this in any editing software you already use. And that's the crazy part. A few years ago, creating documentaries like this required editors, scriptwriters, motion designers, voice artists, entire production teams. Now, one person with AI tools can do everything. You just learned how to generate viral ideas, professional storytelling scripts, AI narration, cinematic visuals, animated scenes, and thumbnails, using a workflow that's almost fully automated. This is exactly why AI documentary channels are exploding right now. The barrier to entry has never been lower, and the creators who understand these tools early are going to dominate YouTube over the next few years. So if you stayed till the end, you now understand something most creators still haven't realized yet. AI is not replacing creativity. It's multiplying it. And honestly, We're only at the beginning. See you in the next video.